In progress.
All of you come to standing position. Those are practicing. Renukappa, you can hear me, right? Renukappa? Okay. Just show me thumbs up. That's enough. Okay. Keep your feet together. Hands tight on the side of your thighs. We'll do the starting prayer now. Inhale, take your hands up sideways. So till here, the palm will be facing the ground. Here the palm will change the direction. Take it to the sky, long, elbow will not bend. When you're exhaling, bring it to the heart center. Slowly, you should take along with the breath. Close your eyes. Take inhalation. Together. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Inhaling, take your hand straight upwards, straight to the sky. Straighten your elbow straight. Exhale, bring your hands down. Where will you turn your palm? Your palm will face the sky till here. There, you will turn the palm and bring it to the thigh. That's how you have to do it. Come here, put the mat here. Yeah. Food, then don't do too much. Wait for some time. Okay. Yeah. Now, what is the first loosening practice? Don't know.
Jogging.
Jogging. Start jogging. Slow jogging now. Do whatever you can. Okay. Don't do too much of it. Can you come this slot and you come that slot? You come here. Now change to front jogging. Look like this. The thigh has to come up, Renukappa. Upwards. Now again slow jogging. So by now the heartbeat would have increased. Relax. Now you have to keep your feet shoulder distance. Going to some fighting, like this. Then now bring the hands in front, parallel to the ground. Fist close. Wrist rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ulta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on your shoulder. So the hand was like this, correct? Straight now. Keep your palm facing the ground. So don't bring your elbow down when you bend down. See, elbow is there only. It should not be like this. Okay? Fold it. Elbow should touch. Then 1. Take it up and down. 2. See, you have to feel that action. See, that's too fast. 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2. So you should be aware what is happening. 3. It's not just a physical action. 4. One more round. 5. Then put your hands down straight. Arm rotation. 1. No, not like. What is no smiling, no smile. Smiling is not required only. Don't smile in the class. So how do you take it? 1, 2. See big circle. 3. Will the elbow bend here? It will not bend. 4. 5. Change. 1. Elbow should not bend. 2. See that elbow is bending. 3. You don't have to look at your elbow to check. Oh, you bending ho raha hai kya? This is not part of your body. 4 is your part of your body only, no? No, it has to go up. See the hand. Take it up. Okay, now hands on the waist. Push the hip front like this. Not like this, just little only. Now inhale, take it back. Exhale, front. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 4. One more round. 5. Knee will not bend. Opposite side. 1. 2. 3. 4. One more round. 5. Now, your hand was here. You have to move it back. So what will touch here? What has to touch? Thumb. So that I always say, no, take touch your thumbs behind your back. That's what I normally use. Inhale, bend back. Look back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, back. Slowly, by 3. Exhale, down. Down means what? You're standing there. Bend. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. Now inhale, stand up. What is the next? Did I ask you to do that? Then why are you doing it? Keep your hands there on. Exhale, feet together, hands on the knee. Wait, no. Did I ask you? No. And then I will tell. That time you do. 1, 2, 3. First do catch the knee properly. 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more round. 5. Completed 5 plus 5. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, take your left leg in the air. Now, what should I rotate? Ankle. 1, 2. Gayatri expert ho gaya. 3, 4, 5. Ulta. 1, 2. All sides come. 3. What? Tanmay? 4, 5. Okay, that's not there. Just drop your leg. Take the other leg front. Balance. Don't look here and there. 1. If you look here, you will fall. No. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ulta. 1, 2, 3, 4. All dekho, you should observe, is it going everywhere or not? 5. Okay, leg drop. Now just walk back, hands down. तो back में आ गया. What, there is some ghai something at the back. Some what do you call that? No, some ditch or something. No. And then walk properly. Keep your leg tight, hands tight. Which leg will go first? Both the legs. Take inhale. Take your left leg front. How much? 4 feet. What should happen to hands? Catch your waist. Don't lift your heel up now. Don't look back. No, there is nothing going to come and hit you from there. Exhale, bend your knee. See, this thigh will come perpendicular. Inhale. Exhale. What is that? Inhale. I think Tanmay 2 peg मार के आ गया. Exhale. Inhale. Stand now. Exhale. Such a simple thing. One more time. Inhale. and exhale. Stay there. 1, 2. Leg distance is not correct. 4. That's the problem. 5. Inhale. Exhale. Walk forward. At the same time, your hand will come down. Now, which leg will go back? Right. Then it will come to same position. No.
Left.
So take your
sir.
left. Yeah. Yes. Divya is there, helping me. Inhale. Take the left leg back. What you're bending is to keep the knee straight now first. Knee. You should know where your knee is, where your leg is and all. Look front. Exhale, bend the knee. Both the knee will bend. See that arch will come here. See, stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. It's a lunging. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Stay there. See the back heel. 1. 2. Catch now. 3. Back straight. 4. 5. Inhale. Exhale. Walk forward. What will happen to hand? Now, which direction I will turn? Turn left. Turn left now. Why are you smiling for turning? Now, keep your legs away. How much distance? 4 feet. See, Gayatri has become teacher now today. Very good. Keep the knee straight. Hands in front. Take one inhalation. Which leg will bend first? Exhale, bend. Left is that now. Inhale. Right bend. Inhale. Left. Wait then, mind. Inhale. Right. Inhale. One more. Left. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Now right. 1, 2. Bend the knee. 3. Right knee. 4. Little leaning. 5. Inhale. Exhale. Catch the waist. Inhale. Walk little inside. How much? Approximately 3 feet will come. Hands on the waist. Exhale. Turn and jump. Okay, good. Second floor also sound will come. Okay. Okay, hands back. Shake your leg. Don't fall now. Practice with control. Gently shake your leg. After some time, put your chin down. Neck rotation. 1, 2. When is the inhalation in this? While going back, correct? 3. Yeah. While coming down, you will be exhaling, correct? 4. See, so proper rhythm will come. 5. It's okay if you want to take another number also. 1. Opposite side. See, actually you can feel the neck. 2. Keep the mind on the action. 3. Take it backwards also, okay? 4. Side, back. Chest also. One more round. 5. Pura. Round. Enough. Now, keep the legs together. Back straight, hands straight. Inhaling, bring the arms in front. Don't round your back. Straighten your back. Really, you should not sit like this. Bring the chest in front. Yeah. Point your toe. There is no life there. Bring the life. That's an inhalation. Okay. Okay. Again, take an inhalation. Exhale. Twist to the left side. Touch your forehead on the ground. You have to push the ground. Inhale. Sit up. Bring front. Exhale. Right side now. Inhale. Bring really front. Exhale. Open your fingers when you go there. Inhale. When you come, your fingers will come closer, correct? Exhale. Because you're pushing the floor, correct? Inhale. See, your breath is not audible. Exhale. Now stay there for some time. 1, 2. Don't lie down. 3. Put your forehead only. 4, 5. Inhale. Sit up. Hands in front. Exhale, other side. Touch your forehead down. 1, 2, 3. There is a twist also. 4, 5. Inhale, sit up, hands in front, real straight in your back. Exhale, hands down. Now, lie down. Again, keep your legs together, hands close to the body. Point your toes forward. When you lift your leg, should you bend your knee, Tanmay? You should not bend the knee when you lift your legs up. Okay? Without bending the knee, lift both the legs up. Lift it up fully 90 degree. Bring it 90 degree. No, without bending the knee. Others remain there. Bring, Tanmay. Lift. You got it. Bring it. Yes, you got it. And now do cycling. 1. Cycling. 2. So you have to move your thighs also. 4. See, you have to make a big cycle. 5. 6. See, pair kitna ja raha hai? 7. Imagine it's a big cycle. 8. 9. Make big circles. 10. Now change. 1. Ulta disha. 2. Move your feet also. 3. 4. 5. 6. Don't spread your knees. 7. Keep your knees in center only. 8. 9. And 10. Stop with the legs in the air. Knees are completely bent. Okay? Interlock your fingers behind your head. Inhale, lift your head up. Ready? Your legs to be together. Keep your knees closer to the chest, closer to your stomach. In the air, bring your thighs closer to your stomach. Now, exhale, left elbow touch the right knee. Inhale out, exhale, touch. Left side. Right side. Do not move your legs. Left side. Right side. Only the body will move. Left side. Right side. Correct. Left side. No need to move your legs. Right side. Touch it now. Left side. Right side. Touch your elbow. Left side. Right side. There will be tightness. What, Gayatri? Left side. Over, huh? Right side. What happened? Left side. And right side. Now inhale, keep your head down, hands on the mat first. It will be side of your hips. When you're exhaling, release the legs. No, so how do you release? See how gracefully you have to release? Release it in the air and bring it down like that. Correct. Don't drop it. Inhale, right arm over the head, bend your left leg. Correct? No, right arm, left leg. Exhale, turn to the ground. After turning, you have to keep your palm by the chest. Palm. Your elbow should be above the wrist. Okay? Now inhale, stand up on the knees and hands like a cat position. When you're exhaling, what should I do? Turn. See, Shanbag is there. Turn around. Now I have to arrange my legs. Keep a little distance. Standing toes you can keep. It's better so that both are fine. If you like, you can keep both. No problem. Now which hand goes up first? Left hand. Inhale. Raise it high. Straight to the sky. Exhale. Insert. Insert the thread inside the needle. Inhale. Rise and look up. Look at that hand. Exhale. Reach the thread inside. Inhale. Look up at that hand. Exhale. How many times? 5 times, no? Inhale. Rise up. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Now stay there. 1. 2. Straighten your elbow. 3. The upper hand fingers are together. 4. What about lower hand? Lower hand wide away finger. 5. Exhale. Insert. Stay there also. 1. 2. You can see the tip of your thread, no? 4. Look at it. 5. Inhale. Come to cat position. Exhale the breath. Your finger should be really far away. And what about index finger, Preeti? Index finger should be parallel. So don't keep like this. Keep, see these 2 fingers, no? These 2 fingers, that will be parallel. What is that? No. Don't make unwanted things. Not allowed. Keep, why this change? It was away earlier. Inhale, right arm. Reach it. Exhale, insert. Inhale, come up. Elbow straight, both elbow. Exhale.
One elbow will bend. This elbow will bend. Inhale.
Reach it high. Exhale.
Threading the needle. Inhale.
You have to keep it on the ground, okay?
Exhale. Keep the thread on the ground. Elbow straight. Inhale.
Reach it up. Stay here. 1, 2, all the upper fingers together. 3, lower fingers wide. 4, 5. Exhale.
Keep the hand down. Come on. 1. Elbow straight. 2, 3. Keep it straight. 4, 5. Inhale. Come up.
Exhale here. See, the legs will not change. You're not aware. Again, take an inhalation. Exhale, elbow down, interlock finger. Inhale, lift your knees up without changing the leg position.
So I came to mountain, correct? Exhale, walk back.
Come to plank. Put your head straight, body straight line. Straight line than mine. 1. Yeah, good breathing. 2, knee straight. Look forward. 3, no, you should not put anything down. 4, what biting lips, huh? 5, I am also finding it tough, don't worry. 6, I'm somehow managing. 7, no, buttock straight. 8, buttock straight, look forward. 9, knee straight. 10, exhale, knee down. Now press your palm on the floor, inhale, come to cat. Inhale, ho gaya? Oh, over, no sound. Exhale.
Go to mountain position. Stay long. Don't take it too far away, Tanmay. Straighten your back. 1. Stay strong with your feet grounded. 2. Push the ground. Lengthen your back. 3. 4. 5.
Step forward, both the legs between the hands. Inhale, head up. No jumping, only step I said. Exhale, head to knee. Inhale, stand up, hand up, sideways. Look at your thumb. Reach it up, no elbow bending. Exhale, hands down. So what is over now? Loosening practice, over. Surya Namaskar. Namastiti. Inhale, take the arms over your head. Exhale to heart. Close your eye. Take inhale. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखम् तत्त्वं पूषण्णपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये Inhale, open the eyes. Exhale, look at the nose ideally. So let us take one Ujjayi breath. Everybody completely exhale the breath. Now we will inhale. Throat sound. Exhale. I'll be going a little slow because I may stop at some positions, okay? Ekam, inhale, stretch your arm backward. Dvi, exhale, bend forward, reach.
Treni, inhale, left leg back, chin up.
Chin goes to sky, chin up. Exhaling, take the second. Plank, no, plank. Pancha, inhale, keep the knee. Exhale, sit back. Shut, inhale, come up. Exhale to the mat. Inhale. Ashta. Exhale. Nava. Inhale left. Chin up, really. Chin up. Dasha. Exhale. Ekadasha. Inhale. Bend, bend, bend. Exhale. Om Mitraya Namaha. Ekam. Inhale. Dvi. Exhale. Trini. Inhale. Which leg? Chattwari. Exhale. See, sound will not come like that. Hands are wrong. Keep it below the shoulder. Pancha. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sapta. Inhale. Pull and rise. Ashta. Exhale. Now which leg will come? Right leg. Nava. Right leg. Inhale. Stretch your throat to the sky. Dasha. Exhale. Ekadasha. Inhale. Dvadasha. Om Ravai Namaha. Now all Mitra, only Mitra is there. Ekam. Inhale. Dvi. See that reach of the body. Nice. Stop. Everybody come back, come back. See, she is doing correct. See, how do you take it front? See, long. See, the chin is front. This is not chin. Don't put the chin first. From here, I have to look forward. I mean, chin forward. Drishti is on the nose. So what will happen? See, I'm reaching long. See, already reached here. Because I went very long. Now take it forward long and down. Trini. Inhale. Left leg. There is a chin. What about the finger? No, only tip of the finger. Chin up, chin up. Really, stretch your throat upwards. Chin up, really up. Hold it there. No, that's wrong. See this leg. It's not sitting on that leg. Chin up. Exhale. No, it's like this. Push and stay. Shoulder above the wrist. Hold the position. Little time. Buttocks straight. Pancha. Inhale, keep the knee. Exhale, complete sitting. Shut. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Inhale. Anybody else is making any sound except you? Ashta. Exhale. Practice without any sound. Nava. Inhale, left foot. Like cat, you have to keep it. Left foot. Which is the left foot? Chin up. Look at eyebrow. Exhale. Right foot. Ekadasha. Inhale. Bend. Exhale. Om Suryaya Namaha. Ekam. Inhale. Dvi. Exhale. Long body. Trini. Inhale. Right foot. Without sound, Tanmay. Chattwari. Exhale. Lying position. Pancha. Inhale. Exhale.
Shut. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Everything lifted in the air. Ashta. Exhale. Nava. Inhale. Right foot. Chin goes upward really. Dasha. Exhale. Without sound. Ekadash. Inhale. Bend. Exhale. Om Bhanave Namaha. Now, inhale, take the hands straight upward. Exhale, bring your hands down. Till now, where is the drishti? I cannot see. Now Gayatri is visible. Correct. अष्टांग सूर्य नमस्कार. हाँ, रीता पिकनिक के लिए आया. बैठा है, चाय पिएगा, आराम करेगा, हैं? लेट जाओ ना, कुछ मत करो. You have to clarify your doubt. If you don't clarify your doubt, don't attend my class. I told you. You ask. If you ask the question, I will reply. Otherwise, I will not reply. You will not attend my class. Guarantee. I don't bother anything like that. Look at the nose. What is coming now? Ashtanga? Yeah, let's do that. Ekam. Inhale. Really look at your thumb. Do you exhale? Diving bird. You have to dive like a bird. Truly inhale. Head up. Come only on the finger. Chatwari exhale. Push and stay. Punch. Inhale. Rise up like a good cobra. Shut. Exhale. Now, 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. Stay without kneeling down. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath, Gayatri. Inhale. And exhale. No kneeling. Sapta. Step forward. Both the legs. Inhale. Head up. Head up. Really concave your back. Exhale. Chin to shin. Bend the body. Nava. Inhale. Stand up. Hand up sideways. Reach your arm and look at it. Exhale. Om Khagaya Namaha. One more. Ekam. Dvi. See the diving action. Like that you dive the body down. You came for picnic, huh? Picnic. No smiling. 3. Inhale. Chin up. Chatwari. Everything in the air. Inhale. Like how Shanbha comes up. Shut. Exhale. Start your 5 breaths. Inhale. Fill up. Exhale. Don't keep your legs too far. Inhale. Exhale. Please mute your mics. Inhale. No sound. Exhale. 3. कितना हो गया? 4. Inhale. And exhale. 5. Sapta, step forward. Inhale, head up. So what you have to do, concave your back. Ashtau, exhale. Deeply fold. Nava, inhale, stand up. Arm up sideways, reach to the sky. Samasthiti, exhale. Om Pushne Namaha. Feet apart. Hands on your eye open, eye rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, no talking. 2, you focus on your action now. 3, 4. Are you able to see corner? Look all corner. 5. Release your hands, catch it on the waist. Natural waist, not buttocks waist, stomach waist, natural waist. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. 1 point. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Now I'm looking at that blue point. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Like that, you have to find your own point. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Quality can come everywhere, it can come. Inhale, last one. Stay there, breathe. 1, 2, 3. Even small actions. 4, 5. Look at the wall. 1. Ekagra drishti. 2, 3. Breathe normal. 4, 5. Hands on the knee. The knees are bent. Literally, you have to bend your knees for. Elbow will not bend. You're standing like this. You have to stand with strong arms and legs. See the spine, it's long, correct? You should not round your back. Yeah, now take inhalation. Exhale, mouth. Stomach in. Inhale. Exhaling, straighten the knee. Straighten the knee. Second round. Inhale. Mouth exhale. Stomach in. Inhale. Exhale, bend the knee. So keeps changing, no? The knee position. What is next? Pumping. See, you're not sweating only. See why I'm sweating? I put proper effort in Surya Namaskar. I drink water also. You're not drinking water. Okay. You should drink a lot of water, then sweat will come. And your Surya Namaskara strength should come. Don't lose Surya Namaskar. Okay, no problem. What is next? Agni Sara? Take inhale. Mouth exhale. Pumping start. Inhale over. Exhaling, straighten the knee. Straighten the knee. Round number, keep your hands straight, back straight, legs straight. Round number 4. Inhale. Exhale. Pumping.
Inhale. Exhale, bend the knee. 2 breath. Last round, standing Uddiyana. Inhale. Throw your breath. In, stand up. Exhale, hands down. Turn to left. Go to left. So any clarification? Okay, relax. Relax. Any questions? Anybody online? Any clarifications required till what we did now?
Yes, sir.
Agni
I
sir.
have a question.
Yeah, yeah. Who's that?
Renukappa.
Yeah, Renukappa. Yes.
Yeah, that pumping we have to do it very fast or how?
Whatever possible. If you're able to do whatever speed you can do, like that. Like just observe my stomach. You saw that? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. Need not be 1, 2, not like that. So whatever speed you can do, like that. Focus more on the displacement. Yeah, suction and how much it is going in, how much it is coming out. Focus on that. Maximize that. More than the speed, that movement is important. How much it can move. Okay, you had asked something. So you are like this. Now see, your feet should be apart a little more. Keep your feet apart. And see, yeah. So you are inhaling, okay? Mouth exhalation. Stop. Are you breathing in between? You should not breathe. If you are not breathing, it's correct. So while doing this, if you breathe, it's gone. It's wrong. That's all. Yeah. And in your case, the weight is not coming on the hand. Remove the hand. Now see, your body's weight is on the head. It should not. It should be on the hand. If you remove the hands, you'll fall. See, the weight should be loaded on the arms. It's weight on the on your arm. So the elbow will not bend. Elbow will be straight. Straight in your elbow. Elbow straight. You load your arms. When you load your arms, see, the spine becomes long. If you don't load it, you become like this, no? Then what will happen? The back will take the load. When you do this, you'll get back problem. So, yeah, back pain will come. So keep the arms straight, elbow straight, back long. See the back? The weight is taken by the arm directly. So the spine is bypassed. So if I slip, I will fall like that. Like that. The weight will come here. See, the weight is on my arm. It's not on the back. That's very important. Otherwise, when you do this is taking weight. When you do this, here problem will come. If you don't keep your spine long. Anybody online? Anybody? Okay, Samasthiti. Stand on the left side. Do you want to use bricks? Gayatri? Take bricks. What about you? Bricks you want? Bricks. Then to keep now. Keep it how much distance? Correct. Stand in front of left brick. Stand in front of the left brick. Keep your feet tight, hands tight. Look straight in front of you. Take one inhalation. No, see, that's a problem. That's a shooting breath. Never do that. Use with the control of your throat. Like that. I will keep a mic, then I think I will be more audible to all of you. Breathing with sound always. Okay, see, if you breathe without sound, it is like, no, I told you last class also. It is like car without steering. How will you drive a car without steering, Tanmay? Is it possible? It will reach anywhere. No, you don't know where it will reach. Car without steering. So You have to breathe with the sound. Then only you can control it. Try to get that. Okay, now. One second. All of you, take one inhalation. Over. Exhale, right leg out. Catch your waist properly. Inhale, right foot turn. Look over the shoulder. You should not turn your body. Only look. Exhale, right knee bend. Keep your right hand down. On the right side of your right foot. See, your feet and your hand should be in the same line. Look there now. What you're looking at my face. Bend the knee properly. 90 degree. Chatwari, inhale, stretch the left arm on the left ear. Now start exhaling. Inhale. 1. 2. 3. Exhale, hand back. Look down, look down. Now inhale, stand up, catch your waist. Looking over the shoulder, body will not. Now exhale. Right leg will turn. Inhale, left leg turn, look over the shoulder. Exhaling, bend and keep. Which hand? No, who asked you to stretch your right hand? Keep your left hand. Now inhaling, stretch the right hand. Now exhale. One. 2. Look at the hand. 3. Exhale, hand back. Inhale, stand up. Catch your waist. Exhale, turn. Look straight. Inhale, right leg turn, full body turn. See now the shoulder completely turned. Shoulder completely turned. रीता पूरा शोल्डर घुमाओ इस साइड में. शोल्डर घुमाओ ना इस साइड में जो साइड में आपने पैर रखा. राइट लेग टर्न किया ना. पूरा शोल्डर घुमाओ. मेरा शोल्डर कैसा है? पूरा घूम गया ना ये साइड में. शोल्डर पूरा घुमाओ. अभी दिमाग चला. Exhale, bend the knee, keep your right armpit on the thigh. Now inhaling, stretch the right arm. Like that. Exhale. Inhale. 1. 2. 3. Exhale, hand back. Inhale, stand. Sorry. Exhale, turn. Look straight in front, your front. Inhale, turn other side. पूरा शोल्डर घुमाओ, पूरा शोल्डर. Exhale, bend and keep your armpit. Now inhaling, stretch the left arm. That's it. Exhale. Inhale. Pull. 3. Exhale, leg hand back.
Inhale, stand. Exhale, turn. Inhale, walk your legs little inside. Hands on the waist. Exhale, jump. When you jump, your hand should be tight. Look forward. Any doubts? No doubt. Feet together, hands tight. What is next asana? Ardha? Yeah, hands tight. Not on buttocks, on side. Which hand first? Say Gayatri. No hand. Both hand.
Right hand.
No, left hand. Always we start with the left. So how do you take it? Ekam. Where did it turn? Shoulder level. Exhale. 1 point. You're bending front. 1. Look forward now. What you're searching for? Keep it. Knee straight. 2. Why are you bending the knee? Bend the body now here. No, bend the knee. Now inhale, stand up. Where is the strength here? Exhale, slowly hand down. Inhale, right hand. Look straight. Exhale, bend. Body has to bend, not the knee. Inhale. No, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Look front. 2. Inhale. Pure side bending. Exhale. Feet together. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, hand down. Inhale, left toe catch. Right hand on the waist. Exhale. See, I started here only. Inhale. Exhale. 1. 2. 3. Inhale. Exhale. What about the hand? Inhale. Exhale. One. 2. Focus. 3. Bend inhale. Keep exhale. Steady hand. Vajrasana. Any doubts? Standing asana, anybody online? What so much sound? As if somebody is cutting some tree or something. Tick, took, tack, tick. All that sound should not come. Vajrasana. Atho Mukha Virasana. Inhale. Keep your knees apart. How much? Why you're sitting for that? Keep your leg bare, bottom of your buttocks only now. Only the knees will go away. Keep your heels below the buttocks. Knees go away. Spread your knees. Knees apart. Little more. Back straight. That is, what is that? Inhalation. Back straight. Exhale, elbow down.
The body is up only. There is a concave here. See, my back, is it little concave? You're doing like this. See, I'm up. Now I have to inhale, stretch the arm without lowering the body. Without lowering, Tanmay, this is where your brain is not working. See, this yoga is not exercise. You have to use your brain, stretch your arms without lowering the body. That's a lengthening action. Then exhale. Long and then deep. Inhale. Switch forward. Exhale. Yeah, good. 1. 2. 3. See the inhalation. One more long breath over. Now exhale it. Inhale, head up. Head little up. Exhale, draw the arms. In the same height of the body, I brought my hands to the knee. Now inhale, sit up.
Exhale, join. Inhale, sit to the left. See, you're talking, you're not breathing. No, see, this is the gap. Exhale. Then hands back, shake it. Next, what is the one? Upavishta. Anybody, any clarification? Clear? What asana we did just now? What is the name of that? Downward facing hero posture. It really flattens the back and all. Samasthiti. Keep your legs together. Even if the arms are not there, your back will become straight. Keep your hands on the thigh. Show me how to sit straight. Yeah. So the sit bones, those two pointed pin bones will sit on the. No, see, chest come up, lift it up, open your shoulder. Look front. We cannot do like this. Sit straight. Keep your hands side of your hips, straight back. Point your finger. Ekam. Inhale, left leg out. How much? 60 degrees. Dvi, exhale, right leg. So there is one technique you can use. You pushing during that exhalation itself, or on the tail of that exhale, push and widen it. So bring your, push your hands at the back and bring your hip a little, front. So what will happen? The legs will become wider. Are you getting a pull here? It's coming? For you, no pull, only sound is coming. Pull here? Not coming? Coming. What, all food will come now? No. Take inhale, arms up and turn. No, see, this is not the way. You sit straight in your back, turn the body. This left side, left side, left side. Exhale. Keeping the legs straight, you have to bring your chin on your left knee. Inhale. Exhale. Look at your toe, not my face. Inhale. Look at your toe, no? Exhale. Down a little more, bend your body. Inhale, catch longer. Longer, catch longer. Exhale. Now inhale, sit up, hands up, really high. Really open. Exhale. See, back is going. See, anybody's back is bending. Look at their back. Nobody's bending.
Only yours. Trini. Inhale, turn. So the toe is pointed to you. See the toe? It is pointing to me. Exhale. Long breathing. 1. 2. Longer, longer. Exhale. 3. Inhale, sit up, hands up. Lift it, lift your back. Exhale. See, you want system changes, you have to change your styles. If you take the same bus, you will reach same place only. You want to reach here, you have to take another bus. Correct? So we have to change our methods if we want to improve. Last one, gone. See, this is not the way at all. No, smiling doesn't help anything. Try to learn how to do this without somebody telling you, with your own interest. See, the body remains front. The body cannot sit like this. Gone. You try to bring the body front, line up your legs away from each other, bring your body straighten up. 3 inhale. Long, long, bring it. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. See, the navel is come. See, rounding should be removed. Inhale. You can try to keep your hands down if you can. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Side is supposed to completely lie down. Inhale. Sit up, hands up. Long. See, these are the stems which are important. Exhale. Inhale, take the left leg inside. Exhale, take the right leg. Inhale, fold to the left. Exhale, Vajrasana. Pinning on the knee. Where? Hamstring. Okay. Careful. While doing this asana.
It happened because of Hanuman.
Okay.
It always happens.
That will heal. I think. Now, inhale here. See, that inhalation is not coming. Now, what is 3 Inhale, stand up. See, that inhalation should be good. Exhale, bend, knees apart. Start your in breath. Feet together. Exhale. 1. 2. 3. Inhale, stand up. Join knee, exhale, sit down. Inhale, Dhyana Mudra. Exhale. Practice without making those sounds. No normal breathing here. Inhale, sit up. Exhale. Inhale, sit to left. I'm waiting for the inhalation. Now exhale. Inhale, fold your legs to the left. See, where is the knee? Both the knees are on the ground. Why are you sitting up for that? Just sit to one side. Sorry, fold your legs to one side. Left side fold. That is your right side. Keep both the knees down. Knees. In front. Knees down. Both the knees. And this shin bone will be resting on the foot. Plus sign will come. No. Take the other foot back. See, this foot is pointing back. Left foot. Don't shuffle the mind of us. You stop doing anything first. Look straight. You'll confuse me also. You're confusion master. Stop moving. Look front. So this you cannot do. Then, now exhale. Why are you sitting up? Exhale, twist to the right. Put this hand below this knee. Twist your right, outward. Like that. I want this to come. This. Twist it. Why this is not happening? You have to do it. Twist. Inhale. Exhale. No, leg to this side, twist other side. Inhale, leg here. Leg here. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Put your hand back, right hand. Right hand. Exhale. Yes, correct. Like now inhale, look forward, release the hands. Release the hands. Exhale, both the leg release. Sit straight. Inhale, fold your legs to right side. Both the knees on the floor. Exhale, twist your body to the left. Inhale, look back. Exhale. Now this bulge has to come. Look back. Inhale. Don't keep it too far away. Exhale. Twist your body. 2. Inhale. That's it. Exhale. 3. Inhale, look forward, release the hands. Exhale, both the leg release. Namaste. Sit straight. Sit straight. Hands side of your hips. Elbow straight. Look front. Push. Straighten this. Straighten the arm. Sit, look forward. Keep the legs straight. Point your toes. Why are you moving forward for that? Did I ask you to move forward? Look front. Keep legs together. Legs together. Together. Point your toes. Okay, what is the next asana? No asana. Yeah, Ubhaya. Padangusthasana. Take inhalation. That sound. Exhale, fold. Hook your toe. Back straight, back straight. Straight back. Don't lean. Straight back. Inhale, lift your leg up. So to take the leg forward. Inhale, look at the sky. Exhale. Straighten the knee, Gayatri. Inhale, look up. 2, exhale. Look up really. Inhale. Exhale, fold your leg. Inhale, release.
Shiv, this is very difficult to balance, Shiv.
Exhale. So, what is the trick of it? See, I exhaled. Now, I'm not saying that you should completely straighten up. Just see this. This is enough. See, I'm not wrong. See, look at my back. See, I'm not, I just changed my leg. See my back here. You see the back? It's straight. See, you should not do this. That is a problem. That is, see, your sitting itself is a problem. So just keeping the back erect, try to lift your legs in front. See, it is not a uplifting. It's a front lifting. See, the weight shifts front here. See, my sit bone is on the floor. So I should not take my body back like this. Gone. I'll fall back. No. Instead of that, keeping the weight in front, lift the left leg front. So the sit bones will be active here, like this. See? See? So first month it may be like this. Little front. Without rounding the back. Without rounding the back. Without rounding the back. Without rounding the back. Without rounding. See, the back did not move only. It was here. I took this much. Enough. No, I'm telling this is enough to start the asana. This is enough. Instead of doing. Rama, show me. Where is he, Rama?
Yeah, so I think I put weight on the back. So that's where I see that.
Yes.
it's
That is the problem. Common mistake is putting the weight backwards.
Putting the weight on the back.
It is better. Straighten your back. Don't round it. Take the arms long, reach long. So take it long, long, take it long in front of you. So bring the weight in front. Front. Don't take the weight back. Then it will go back down.
Your shoulders are broad.
Yeah, yeah.
And so when you drop your neck,
Yes.
you fully drop it like this.
Yeah. I know you can drop it completely. You can drop it back. Yeah. Let it not be held. Yeah. This is correct. Fantastic. See how she's doing? She's keeping the weight in front, but your drishti is up. Correct? Her weight is on the buttocks. Really on the buttocks. So try to see all these are connected. Sitting straight. That is connected to these actions. So trying to shift your weight front. Okay. Actually, it's simple. Problem is we do too much of it without knowing the technique of it. We try to straighten it somehow. Aaj main karke hi rahunga. That's the problem. Don't do that. So just lift it in front. This is fine. 1 week like this, next week like this, next week like this. So the weight is in front. Finally, I bring the leg in front without shifting the weight backward. See, like that. So that roll back, you have to stop. Take it front.
But I had one question for this to Konasana. So in the side bending, is your knee by any chance slightly bending or how is it?
Knee doesn't bend. The only difficulty I find is this side does not turn completely when the legs are far away. If it's a little close, this is easier.
Yeah.
So, but I spread it a little far, so this side doesn't reach. The knee doesn't bend. No. But there is a tendency of the other feet to come in. General tendency comes. So try to keep this foot outward and bring the body.
And so in the front one also.
Yeah.
Also, I don't know, here I think there is some bone that turns.
Yes.
So I think while doing that, so it was already stretched because of Hanuman. Every time I get that finger. And while doing this, now I'm able to actually go down fully.
But there is a pain somewhere.
Now it's, but it just twisted. I can hear it again.
Okay.
It twisted and then after that it's gone.
Okay, I think you heal after a few days. This is better now? Your knee is better?
Knee is good.
Okay.
That's the Padmasana.
Yeah, it's okay. Gradually it should go away. This is not the way to see. See anybody sitting like that? Sit straight with your back straight. Okay. Bring the legs in.
Sir,
Yeah. Sit straight, sit straight.
sir, even I have a doubt
Yeah.
in Upavishta Konasana.
Yeah,
Puja
correct.
here.
Yes, Puja.
The forward stretch, sir, in Upavishta.
Yeah.
Where do you hold all your toes or just the big toe?
See, all these are fine. I actually don't hold my toe at all. See, so you can start from here also. catching your ankle, then maybe a little deeper, little more. Then if you're able to bring your hand towards your toe, then maybe hook your toe or catch the toe. So when I do, because this is not enough for me, because I have to go beyond that. So when you reach there, so I completely put the everything on. So this side, I'm able to reach front. So depending on, I think, your own ability, you can start here also. Gradually you can, if you're able to grab the toe, you can pull using that catch, no? See, I'm able to pull using the toe. Even here you can catch, the full entire toe you can catch. So I think based on your own experience, you may be able to catch the right place. This is what I think. Open. Yeah, so this actually opens up. No, this is where all our all the lower abdomen, your urinary bladder, then your ovaries, everything remains here. So when you do this, it actually widens them and a lot of blood supply. These asanas are very, very powerful asanas. When you do this, it improves all these things. Okay.
How to stop rounding of the back, sir, in this?
Yes, you should not round your back. If you round, it's a concave back. See, look at my back is concave, 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 concave. See, I'm reaching with, see, the chin comes front, right? I'm keeping your feet backward, body forward. So till I reach almost there, no, it's almost flat. I go like this, correct? So try to bring your, I'm forcibly keeping my feet back. I'm forcibly keeping the feet back and bringing the body front, like that. Keeping this back, I swim the front, that way.
I think a concave back requires a lot of time. For me, it is like back round shape only it is coming now.
Do you know where it starts from? Ashtanga A. I'll tell you where it starts from, that concave back. Ekam, inhale. Dvi, exhale. See, here itself the concave started.
Yeah.
Now, see the next step. Many people don't do this. See the next step. Trini, inhale. They do only this much. Here the concave comes. Look at the back. So you have to lift your chin up, look towards the eyebrow. I say, no, Trini, inhale. This is the B. Trini, inhale. Head up. If you want, you can come on the tip of the fingers also, no problem. Don't remove it. This is also fine. I do this way. Some people do this way. It will not work much. Depending on your height, either of these three can be chosen. See the concave back. It starts here.
Shiv, I think.
Yeah, speak. Disconnected. So try to get this concave back. This will damage your back. Yeah. So get that lift in Ashtanga A. Now, any other doubts on sitting asana?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Shiv, sorry. That bending, right? Can you actually tell me exactly where is the push is coming? I mean, are you pushing your thighs to the back and then bending it? Because, basically I've been trying, but that concave bending is not coming.
Yeah, so you have to reach front. So when you do this,
where are you putting the pressure?
The bend comes from the bottom of your pelvis. This position. So when you bend, this is a ball and socket joint. No, here. There is a ball and socket joint here. That ball and socket will be turn like that. Like, now where is the bend? Where is the bend coming from? Here, no?
Yeah.
Here the thigh bone starts here. It's not from here. So don't do like this. Like, see how she's doing? Yeah. If you come here, it will be more visible. People, can you come here?
Understood.
Take that mat. Yeah. See now see how Preeti is bending. Inhale, now exhale. See now, stay there. Yeah. See now the bend has come from the thigh bone up. You saw that? It's bending from there, that point. She's reaching front and then going forward. So we should not target down bending. We have to target forward. So this is also fine. This is fine. But this is not fine. You saw that? That rounding will damage the back. Okay. Yeah. Like that. Bring the stomach like that. Okay, it will come. It will take some more time. Yeah. What happened?
You
had some doubt. No, don't bend like this. See, You can catching the waist, lift the leg up, lift the leg up, lift it up, catch it. See, no, you're able to do it. Lift it up a little more. Lift it up, lift your leg up. You also, I think you are bending. Lift your leg up, keep your back straight, then catch it.
So
Then,
one thing that I also do here is squeeze the thigh, lift it up, lower in the pull. Immediately there is a pull and make this straight. No, absolutely no bend in the back.
in the back.
So back has to be very straight.
Straight.
Pull this as much as you can.
Lift it up.
So that you stretch over here.
Yes. The pelvic joint.
And then keeping the thigh as it is, just try to straighten.
Yes. See? Yeah.
I also try to maintain it as it is. At the end only, your thigh will also straighten.
Yeah.
Otherwise, keep the thigh as it is, just straighten the,
Perfect.
then slowly straighten the thigh at the end.
See, that's a trick. So she's not, you're doing like this. So don't do it. So try to keep the, she said no, she said squeeze the thigh up, squeeze it up, then catch the toe. Yeah, with minimum, don't keep your back straight and then try to take front. Don't bend the body after that. Take it front. Take it front, straight back, front. Catch the other hand on the waist. Look one point, otherwise you'll lose the balance. Exhale, sorry, inhale and exhale. Okay, I think somebody else was asking something. That's all.
I
No?
was asking one thing.
Yeah.
What's the grip in Bharadwaj?
Yeah.
So when you hold this biceps, how do you hold it like this? As in the
No, I keep all my fingers in one side only. I don't catch like this because if you catch like this, I don't get the grip. So I completely wrap it around. Any other doubts? Anybody?
No.
Online, anybody? Any doubts? Nothing. Sit straight. Sorry. Now, lying down postures. Down. Straight, okay, back erect, flat, hands close to your body, palm on the floor, point your toes. Inhaling, take the arms over the head, straight upwards and backwards like that. Yeah, long fingers. Exhale, keep your feet together and point your toe. Now, without bending the knee, both the legs together, you have to lift your legs up. Together, use the strength of your back. Yeah, no bending the knee. Tanmay, again try. You did it some time back. Lift it up. Take it up in one go. Try to take it up. Don't stop there. No, don't lift your hips. Keep your hips down only. Keep your legs 90 degree, all of you. Knee straight. Point your toes upwards. Point your toes upwards. Gayatri. Mele. Okay. Knee straight. Tanmaya. Buttocks down, knee straight. Point your toes. Now exhale, bring the hands down. Okay. Now inhale, lift your entire body in the air and support your back. Like that. Full straighten your body upwards. Straight up, push up. Gayatri, push up. Don't bite your lips. Close your mouth. Like this. Now maintain this. Maintain. Push. You have to put strength, no? Yeah, tighten your legs. With strength. Maintain. Where is the strength here? Tighten the legs. See, you are not able to bring the intelligence there. That is the problem. Yeah, see. No bangles and all, no? Correct. Little more straighten it. Here, toe. Stretch it. Tightness. Push. Lift it up. Straight a little more. Now go to slowly halasana. Exhale, take both your legs down to the head side. Yeah. Do chin to chest. Chin and chest touching each other. Keep the knee. See, you're not connecting here. See, you're not bringing the force here. Keep the tightness here. Tightness now. Don't laugh. Close your mouth. Yeah. Bring your knee straight. Keep your knee straight. Hold it here. Tighten your arms. You can interlock your fingers. Interlock your fingers if you want. Keep it strong. Tightness. Don't fall. You're not putting strength. Your strength is not reaching here.
Okay, now inhale, come back, Sarvangasana, all of you. Okay, so before that, you can make a V split here. Yeah, V split. Supta Konasana. Stay here. One. Don't look at me. Look at your nose. Close your mouth. Yeah, widen the legs. Open it up, open it up. Okay, now join your legs. So there is a strength, Nan. Don't laugh. Close your mouth. Now inhale, come back to Sarvangasana. Lift it up, upwards. Upwards. Lift it up. Straighten your legs. Point your toes. Push it up. Next class, if I don't see this, you are disconnected from a class. Straight up. Support now. Tighten your legs. Keep it tight. Point your toe. Why is it coming to me? I cannot catch your leg. You have to catch your leg. Good. Now exhale, bring the hips down. Hips. Knee straight. Keep the ground. Knee straight. Knee straight. Inhale, take the arm sideways. Keep the leg, no wire, bring it sideways. No, like this. Knee straight. Hands sideways. Sideways. Exhale, both the legs to the left. Not dropping. Look at the right hand. Why the hand went away? Push your arms straight. Straighten your arms. Inhale. Point your toe outward. Look at the right hand. Inhale. Stretch it now. Widen it. Exhale. Why are you lifting up when I'm saying widening? Inhale. Widen your arms. Exhale. Why that went up? It's correct only. And now inhale, bring the legs together without bending the knee. Together without bending the knee. Bring it up. You should not touch me. No, without bending the knee. Exhale, you go to the other side. Don't drop. No, there. Shoulder, shoulder. You bring it up without touching me. Hands out. Hands out, no. There. This hand down. Take the legs up without touching me. Without touching me, your leg has to come up. Bring it. Bring it. Without touching me. Straighten the legs. Straight. Now take it to the right leg. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Look at the other hand. Arm stretch. Knee straight. Now all of you bring it back to 90 degree. Without touching me. You have to bring it back. Without touching me. Both together. Together. Leg straight. 90 degree. 90 degree here. Now inhale, take hands down. Exhale, hands down. Now inhale, take the arms over your head. Keep leg 90 degree. Exhale, 80 degree. 70 degree. Knee straight. 60 degree. 60 degree. 50 degree. 50 degree. I'll put you out of the class. 40 degree. Knee straight. 30 degree. No, 30 degree. 30 degree. 20 degree. 20. 10 degree. Hold it, 10 degree. 10 degree, hold it, 10 degree, 10 degree. 0 degree, exhale. Now inhale. Exhale, hands down. So we did complete inversion. Relax, Shavasana. Keep your legs away. And hands facing the sky. Eyes closed. Hands facing the sky. Here, down only. Shavasana. You don't know Shavasana? Yeah.
So in Halasana, ideally, our weight is not on the neck because we're moving our shoulders in. After that, when we do Samakonasana,
Then some weight will come here.
then weight comes in, right?
Because now the shoulders will open.
Yeah.
So that time the neck will take some load. It's correct only. Anybody online? Anybody? Any questions? Coming up next, Matsyasana, Chakrasana. Okay. Samasthiti. Keep your legs together. Hands close to your body, palm on the mat. Inhale. Yeah? Inhale. Who is talking? Inhale, insert the arms below your buttocks. Both the arms completely below the buttocks. Knee straight, elbow straight. Exhale, point your toe. Point your toe. Now inhale, lift your upper body completely on your elbow. Elbow should be below the body. What is it doing outside the body? Below the body. Below. Below, completely below the body. No. See, your elbow is outside. See my elbow. Lie down, lay down. See, no, see my hand was here, no? Okay, lie down, Preeti. When you insert your arms, look at the way I do it. I lift my buttock in insert and lie down on that hand and insert. Both the hands are below the body, completely. Elbow straight, completely. No, your elbow should not be outside, it's below the body. Now inhale, lift the upper body. Come on your elbow. Full lift, up, full, little more. Now exhale, put only the head back. Now you got it, better. Keep your mouth closed. Chest up. First you lift. Now put only the head back. Like that. 2. 3. Exhale. The mouth close. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale, head up, look at your toe. Exhale, lay down. Inhale, remove your hands outside the buttock. Exhale, point your toe. And straight, strength. Inhale, take arms over the head. Exhale, point your toe. Inhale, bend both the legs. Keep it side of your hips. Exhale, push your palm by the side of your ears. Push your palm. Now inhale, lift up, Chakrasana. Come up. Exhale. Rise up. Inhale. Try again. Exhale. Walk your legs towards your hand. Come up. Inhale. Push. Correct. Don't drop. Exhale. Inhale. Increase. Heels up. Now exhale. Go down. Go down. Put the body down, not your head. Inhale. Release the legs alone. Exhale. Put your hands down. No sound. Mouth closed. No laughing. Inhale. Arms over your head again. Exhale. Keep your legs straight. Inhale. Bend your legs again. Keep it away. Exhale. Again, press your hands. Inhale. Push up. One more Chakrasana. Carefully. That's good. Exhale. Preeti, try to come up. Inhale. Now you can exhale, go down. You come to Chakrasana first again. Again Chakrasana. No, leg there only. Again come up Chakrasana. Come up, straight come up. Stay there only. Tomorrow I will come. Till tomorrow you have to stay there only. Wait, no, who asked you to go down? Tomorrow I will come, no? Tomorrow, okay. Now come, stand up. Stand up, come, stand. Come, stand. Now go back. Dropping Chakrasana. Go back. You have to teach your parents how to help you like this. Now come up again. Come up. Come now. I'm catching you. You come. Now exhale, go back. Go back. Go back now. I will not fall. Even if I fall, you will not fall. Now stay there till tomorrow. Tomorrow I will come. Okay? 4 o'clock. Stay now. Stay. No coming. No going. Okay, relax. Okay, relax. Okay, now do Pavanamuktasana on your own. Pavanamuktasana. Inhale, bend your legs, hug the knees. Pavanamuktasana. Exhale, lift your head up. Take 3 breaths. Slow breathing. 1. Hmm. 2. Point your toe. Exhale. Inhale, head down. Exhale, leg down. Okay. Now turn right arm over your head, bend your left leg. Right arm over your head, bend your left leg. Right arm, right arm. Turn to the right side. Push the ground, inhale, sit up, all of you. Come up, come. Now, relax, Vajrasana. Please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Who is there talking? Okay, now, Bastrika. No time, it's already 5:39. Thumb inside. Finger around your thumb, back of the wrist. Chest breathing, okay? So, see how I'm doing that. Don't do, what is it? Don't do that. Circus illa. No circus. Jumbo circus. Inhale, chest up. Like that. No sound only. What? No sound. Why? What is it, going to toilet? Then. Push the hand. Now continue, continue. Correct. Don't bring your hand also with stomach. Hand should be pushing. See that? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. In, out. In, out. In, out. Dhyana mudra. Because your head, mouth, everything light. Even when you talk, no, you'll not get that strength of your on your tongue also. That much nervous calming will happen. No, eyes open, close, eye close. No smilasan. What is smilasan? Jumbo circus. बंद करो. धीरे धीरे breathing चालू हो जाएगा. You'll feel nice, no? I feel very good after Bhastrika. Relax. Okay. Any doubts online? Just 2-3 minutes I have. Any doubts? Gayatri over. All doubts over. We did not do any advanced asana. Okay, do headstand. Tanmay, do headstand. I will help you, no? Don't worry.
Sir, can you show once the pranayama while lying down, how you do it?
Yeah. Careful, Preeti. Preeti, if you come to this side, the few people would have seen you. Yeah, so keep arms and legs relaxed, completely unwind. So then I start with my inhalation. It's full. Then suck the navel. You're able to see my, no, you don't have to tap. I'm just showing you. So get that Uddiyana, like inhale. Now observe my stomach, Gayatri, Tanmay and all.
So that twing andar jana chahiye. Show me. Where is stomach going in? Pull its stomach. Yes, like that. So getting that suction is very important, Divya. How you suck your stomach really inside, because the idea of this is keeping the back flat and doing this pranayama. And that Udhyana becomes very, very effective when you do this in lying down this month. Any specific doubts you had on that?
No, sir. I just wanted to see how you're
Yeah.
breathing with. Just wanted to see your lung movement and how you hold your stomach. That's
Okay.
the one I wanted to see.
Fantastic. No issues.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Now you show me headstand. Headstand. Interlock your fingers, put your head down. There only. Now lift your knees up. No jumping. I just lift your knees up. Straighten your knees. Straighten your knees straight, bro. You put your leg down now. Just straighten the knees. Now bring me one leg. Give me one leg. Take the other leg up. Straight. Balance here. 1. 2. Balance. 3. What are you falling? You're preparing to fall. 4. Tighten your body now when you fall. Tighten your body. 5. When you fall, you have to save yourself now. 6. You want to break your bones? 7. Connect. 8. Balance. No, tighten your body. 9. Balance. 10. Bring the leg down. One leg down. Stay there. This leg up. This leg up. Take the other leg down. Relax. Balasana. Balasana. This is Balasana. Okay, good. Now, so this is what I want. Pure inversion. Where is the life? Power has to come here. Here. You got this one? That point the power has to come. Good. Slow. Don't drop. Don't fall. Keep the legs straight and come down. Bring your hips down. Arms over your head. 90. Where is the life gone again? Slowly come. No biting lips. Okay, come. Little come. Look straight up. Little come. Don't hold your breath. Little come. Don't touch my hand. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Little more down. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, relax. Bye. Say straight back. Okay, I think with that we close. Namaste for coming, joining. Namaste. Namaste. Online, those who joined, thank you for joining. Please join, inspire me by coming. I get very happy when I take these classes. Thankful to all of you who joined. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, all of you who actively participated. Active participation, very important. Okay. People are talking now. So when you talk, your ideas come out, correct? So I also get more clarity when you talk. I may be making some mistakes. These are opportunities for me to correct myself. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, bye, Divya, for actively participating all the classes. It's so nice of you to do that.
Thank you, sir. Helping me grow better, actually develop better also.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Renuka. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.